Welcome my dear student. Now the today's topic is array operations and referencing. An array is a collection of values and we operate on arrays one element at a time using the index operation. But if we are working with a one dimensional array of a scalar value, we can use some of the operations to operate on a whole arrays also. So as per that we have some different array operations that are in front of you. That is, the first one is a logical operator, second one is a shift operator, third one is relational operator, fourth one is maximum and minimum operation, fifth one is concatenation operation, sixth one is to bring operation, another one is array slices, and next one is array type conversion. Now we will go through it one by one. Okay, now the first is the logical operator. Logical operators. Now as the name is given as a logical, so logical means it normally related with a logical term, and as we know that when the word is come as a logical, that it is related with the boolean terms. That boolean terms is logical means boolean term will relate with the binary terms, that is zeros and ones. So the logical operations must contain and, or, NAND, NOR, XOR, XNOR, like that way. That can be applied to one dimensional array of a bit or a boolean element. That includes the predefined type bit vector and boolean vector, as well as any array type with a bit or boolean element that we might declare. The operators can also be applied to two array type standard on the logic vector defined by the standard logic 1164 package. In each case, the operand must be of the same length and type, and the result is computed by applying the operators to matching the element from each array to produce an array of the same length. The elements are matched starting from the leftmost position in each array. An element at a given position from the left in one array is a match with the element at the same position from the left in another array. The operator NOT can also be applied to a single array of any of these type, with the result being an array of the same length and the type as the operand. There are some declaration and some statement which can be show you the use of logical operator when it applied to the bit vector, and that are: the first is the subtype pixel row is a bit vector from 0 to 15. Another one is variable current row mask pixel row. Current row is equals to current row and not marks. Current row XOR X F F F F. These four are the different terms, but if you observe, in each and every term, the term or the operation is related with the logical term. How? If you observe the first one, in the first one it uses a bit vector of 0 to 15. Second one is variable current row mask pixel row, that is either 0 or 1, that is the logical term. Current row not mask, that is 0, it is 1, it is 0, with mask 1, without mask non mask 0. Current row XOR, that is again XOR operation, like that one. The logical operators AND, OR, NAND, NOR, XOR, XNOR can also be applied to a pair of operands, and one of which is a one dimensional array of the type, and the other of which is a scalar of the same type as the array element. The result is an array of the same length and the type as the array operand. Each element of the result is computed by applying the operators to the scalar operand and the corresponding element of the array operand. For example, we will give some example. For example, that is B double zero double one and with 1 B double zero double one. Second, B double zero double one XOR with 1 is equals to B double one double zero. Means this operation will be done with this one. You get on this one. This is about AND XOR. Again, if you AND with a 0, all terms will be at 0. If you XOR with 0, the term will remain same. That terms are given. This is all about logical operators which is used in the VHDL programming. And that logical operator will be used again and again with for the different terms. And also we can have in each case, if the array has only one element, the result is the value of the element, and the array is a null array. That null array means that is it has now no element, and the result is an AND operator is 1, and the result of the OR and XOR operator is 0. In each case, the application to the single element array produce the negation of the element value. Applications of NAND to a null array produce a 0, and applications of NOR or XNOR null to array produce a 1. Means depending upon the operation, what operation that we are performing, depending on that your result will be generated. The logical reduction operator have the same precedence as the unary NOT and ABS operation. In the absence of parentheses, they are evaluated before binary operators. So the expression is AND AR. It involves the applying the reduction operators to A and then applying to the binary or operator to the result of B. In some cases, we need to include the parentheses to make an expression legal. For example, the expression AND NOT X is not legal without parentheses, as we cannot change unary operators. Instead, we must write the expression as AND NOT X like that. In this way, we can use this logical operator for to performing a different operation in the different terms like that. Okay, thank you very much. In the next video, we will discuss the another different operators. Thank you.